Hi and welcome back. In this video I will tell you about C control structures. C control structures are used to control the order in which the instructions get executed. There are mainly two execution types: conditional execution and iterative execution. In conditional execution, the statement is executed if some condition is met, or we can select one set of statement to be executed from several options depend upon one or more conditions. In iterative execution, we repeat the execution of set of statements a specified number of times, or until some condition is met, or while some condition is true. Let's start with if-then structure. In this structure, we execute a set of statement if and only if some condition is met. For example, if A is less than B. If this condition is true, then only the statement 1 and statement 2 will get executed. If this condition is false, the statement 1 and 2 will not get executed. Here, for comparison, we have used less than operator. In place of this less than operator, we can use other operator like equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, any non-zero value, 1 or 0. Any non-zero value will consider as a true, 1 is also considered as a true, and 0 is considered as false. To combine one or more conditions, we can use Boolean operators. Double ampersand is a AND operator and Boolean operator. Double vertical lines or Boolean operator. Here is the example. If n is greater than 1 and n is less than 5. When these both conditions become true, then only the entire condition become true and if statement get executed. In this example, if either of these condition is true, if statement will get executed. Please note that double ampersand and double vertical line are the Boolean operators and not a bitwise operators. Bitwise operator will write like this: single and single vertical line. Here also you note that double equal to sign is a relational operator, whereas single equal to sign is a assignment operator. Okay, now let's quickly look at if then else structure. In if then else structure execute one set of statement if the condition is met and an alternate set if the condition is not met. For example, if a equals to 0, then the statement 1 and 2 will get executed, else the statement 3 and 4 will get executed. What if we want more condition to be tested? In that case, you can use nested if else statement. For example, if n equals to 1, then statement 1 will get executed. Else if n equals to 2, if this condition is true, then statement 2 get executed. If n equals to 3, then this statement is executed. If not 1, 2 or 3, then statement 4 will get executed. Switch statement. Switch statement is a compact alternative to else if structure for multi-way decision that tests one variable or expression for number of constant values. Here is the example. If the value of n is 0, statement 1 get executed. If the value of n is 1, statement 2 value. If the value of n is 2, then statement 3. Else, this by default, statement 4 will get executed. Now let's see iterative C control structures. First one is while loop structure. Here we repeat a set of statements as long as some condition is met. For example, while a is less than b. Till the time this condition is true, statement 1 and 2 will get executed continuously since it's in a loop. When this condition will become false, the while loop will get terminated. Do while loop structure. Here we repeat a set of statements until some condition is met. Here is the example. You can see here, while condition is tested after do statement. Since the condition is tested after the execution of set of statements, so the statement are guaranteed to be executed at least one. So first statement 1 and 2 will get executed, and then we will check for while condition. Now if this condition is true, then again statement 1 and 2 will get executed. Do while loop guaranteed that the statement 1 and 2 will get executed at least once, since the while condition is getting checked after do statement. For loop structure. For loop is a more compact form of while loop structure. Here is the example. For m equals to 0, m is less than 200, m plus plus. This condition is what we call initialization. This is what we call condition for execution, and this one is operation at the end of each loop. Initially the value of m is 0. Since value of m is less than 200, the statement 1 and 2 will get executed, and then the value in m will get incremented by 1. So this loop will iterate 200 times. Here is the example. We normally use for loop statement in embedded C to generate time delay. For I equals to 0, I is less than 100, I plus plus. This one form the outer loop. Then there is one more loop for j equals to 0, j is less than 1000, then j plus plus. This forms the inner loop. We do not write anything in this loop. Hence, we created delay. Now the question is how delay get created. This loop will get iterate 1000 times, and this loop will iterate 100 times. Means both loop will get combinedly iterated for 1000 multiplied by 100, this many number of times. Since this is the process that will get executed 1000 multiplied by 100 times, it will consume some time, and that is how we generate delay.